expert kitchen remodeling services in Sunset, Utah. EagleRidge provides expert kitchen remodeling services in Sunset, Utah 84015, designed to transform your space with precision and quality. Whether you need a full renovation or targeted upgrades, our skilled team ensures a seamless process from start to finish. We specialize in custom kitchen remodeling, including cabinetry, countertops, flooring, lighting, plumbing, and smart home integrations. From initial design consultation to project completion, we focus on every detail to create a kitchen that enhances both style and functionality. Our process begins with understanding your vision and needs. We then craft a personalized design plan, incorporating modern trends, durable materials, and innovative solutions. Whether it's upgrading to quartz countertops, installing custom cabinetry, or improving storage and layout, we bring expertise and craftsmanship to every project. At EagleRidge, we take pride in delivering high-quality renovations that improve the heart of your home. With years of experience and a reputation for excellence, we are the trusted choice for kitchen remodeling in Sunset, Utah. Upgrade your kitchen today. Call us at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com to get started.